How to write voice recordings to NFC tags using voice label on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Next in here, tap on vision enhancements. Then scroll down and tap on voice label. Here, start your recording. Kitchen door. And then tap on done. Now place your NFC tag at the back of the phone. And it said voice label written. So when you tap your phone on a voice label, whether it's on the wall or on a kitchen cabinet, it will read out aloud. Kitchen door. Kitchen door. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.